Google just dropped the Pixel 8 Pro, their biggest upgrade in 3 years, and it's bringing a whole bunch of exciting features to the table. So here are the 15 best new features from Google Pixel 8 Pro that might shock you. So watch this video till the end because I will explain everything. Further wasting of time, let's get started. With Video Boost, the Pixel 8 Pro will take HDR videos with even better color grading than before. Google showed a comparison video with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and there's a night and day difference here. To note that when you use Video Boost to record, the phone saves 2 files. One's your regular video, ready to share on the spot. The other, Google calls it rawish, heads off to Google's servers for some backstage magic. It takes a few hours to process, but you'll get a heads up once it's all done. Zoom Enhanced, you'll be able to zoom in on images and recreate fine detail after capture. This cool feature uses generative AI to fill in the pixel gaps and predict the little details, giving you much clearer zoomed-in shots. Google just elevated the software update game in a big way. The Pixel 8 Pro will get 7 years of operating system upgrades and feature drops. It's not just 7 years of security updates. It's 7 years of OS updates, which means the Pixel 8 series will get Android updates until 2030, which is insane. It's even more than what Apple is offering for their iPhones. Google is extending its night sight to videos as well by bringing significant improvements when recording in low-light situations. Google is even calling the Pixel 8 Pro the best phone out there for low-light smartphone video in the market, which speaks volumes. Magic Editor is a new generative AI editing tool that totally revamps your photos. You can move stuff around, resize things, give your pics a new perspective, erase unwanted objects, and even tweak the lighting placement and more. Sure, Photoshop can do some of this stuff now, but having it right there in your camera feels like a total game changer if you're into getting creative with your pics. The Pixel 8 series also has this cool software feature called Best Take, which allows you to change the faces after you take the picture. Basically, how it works is, when you take a photo, the phone will automatically click a series of photos and select the best parts from each photo. It will then combine them into one composite image, so that you always get the best possible result every time. Google is upgrading its Photo Magic Eraser to work its magic on audio too. You can now easily remove background sounds from your videos, making them sound way better. Manual controls have been rather scarce in the Pixel camera in the past, but that changes with the Pixel 8 Pro as it features pro-level DSLR-like photography controls for all you camera wizards out there who want to take charge and squeeze the absolute best out of that camera. The Pixel 8 Pro will boast a display with a peak brightness of a hopping 2400 nits, which is crazy bright compared to the latest from Samsung and Apple. So it doesn't matter how blazing the sun is, you'll have absolutely no problem viewing these displays in even extreme outdoor conditions. Google Assistant is getting a lot smarter as Google is integrating some Baiard features into it. It's not a full integration, but Google's saying it'll get better at understanding speech, catching those ums and pauses. Plus, it'll start translating web pages and reading them to you. And guess what? The keyboard's joined the AI party too, with a one-tap fix for your typos and grammar blunders. The phone now features 30 watt of fast charging, up from 23 watt on its predecessor, which should help reduce the charging times a bit. The phone now features a flat display with slim and uniform bezels, and I have to say, it actually looks way better than last year's Pixel from the front. Google has also upgraded the Pixel 8 Pro's Face Unlock technology. Now you can use it for making payments too. Before, it was just for unlocking your phone. Google has also upgraded the camera hardware. The 50MP main camera now has a brighter f/1.7 lens. Its 5x telephoto now sports a 48MP camera with faster autofocus, and the ultra-wide camera has a 48MP sensor with a 2 cm macro focus. In a surprising move, Google is throwing in a built-in thermometer sensor in the Pixel 8 Pro, which not only measures the body temperature, but you can also use it to scan objects like beverages, which is pretty cool. By the way, do note that these generative AI features such as Video Boost, Zoom Enhance, Magic Editor, and Google Assistant with Bard aren't available at launch, but will be coming soon, likely in December. But in coming years, as its generative AI tech gets even better, and as smartphone hardware approaches saturation, Google is now gaining an advantage over its rivals thanks to its advancing generative AI technology. So those are the 15 big changes to Google Pixel 8 Pro. Are you guys happy with these changes? Let me know your thoughts in the comment below, and for more updates, you can check out our channel TechBog. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit like and subscribe to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care and peace out.